this Saturday.
Sound familiar? Then the Goodnight Anti-Snoring Ring could be the perfect solution to your snoring problem. Made from sterling silver, you simply wear it on your little finger while sleeping.
After all these years, I cannot believe this has stopped him snoring.
I've no idea how it works, but it does, and it's amazing.
So if you want to turn this into this, then the Goodnight Anti-Snoring Ring could be your answer. Now available from your local pharmacy.
Just a quick look ahead, and later at 9 we'll be joining the staff and the prisoners of Strange Ways. They'll be telling us their stories a little bit later at 9. Now though, it's our first soap stop of the evening to Weatherfield, where there's trouble for Steve. Over 20,000 products to make you smile on littlewoodsIreland.ie.